Hi, warm welcome to my channel and welcome to depart from Florence towards Amalfi Coast with me. I want to share with you some of the most memorable places along the way, different small towns, islands, even a volcano. So let's get going. How was Florence, you may wonder? Well, Florence was amazing. It was a perfect blend of art, flowers and delicious food. All the sculptures, art pieces, churches and the cathedral just well, Florence may require a separate video, but now let's depart towards Amalfi Coast and let's explore together the most memorable places I visited. Let's go! And now welcome to Amalfi town. As charming as the Amalfi Coast is overall, I wasn't impressed by Amalfi town at all. Well, it has a lovely cathedral, but apart from that, but of course arriving to it by boat was a lovely experience. What we did instead was to spend some nights in Ravello, a town in the mountains. Overall, Ravello was very cozy and artistic as well. In addition to magnificent gardens, there were also places where you could take cooking classes. It's very walkable. It's not a party town, but it's more like bohemic, I would say, for a romantic stay and holidays. Would stay there again for sure. And now, welcome to Positano. Wow, this is a jewel in the Amalfi Coast's crown. Really amazing. It was so vibrant, so picturesque. It is quite busy during the day. And the hotel we stayed at was called L'Ancora. We had a lovely terrace with a view, and well, I was really satisfied with both the room and the service. If you're thinking about sunbathing and swimming a bit, I would recommend to go to Fornillo Beach. It's just 5 minutes walk from the main beach, but I found it more private and lovely. And on the way there or back from the beach, I really recommend the restaurant Guarracino. And now, welcome to the sunny Capri. And yes, it's Capri, not Capri. I mean, I have seen so many videos where people pronounce it Capri, and it's just not that place. But nevertheless, yes, Capri and Positano were two of my daughter's favorite places that we visited in Amalfi Coast. Just so you know, Ravello, for instance, she thought it was like a paradise for retired people. Another very memorable place is the Natural Arch, which was just out of this world. Also the gardens, Giardini di Augusto, were magnificent. The views were simply unforgettable. I still try to decide if this garden or garden of Villa Cimbrone in Ravello are more beautiful. Very hard to decide. And last but not least, welcome to Napoli, a place where I ate absolutely too much of the original pizza and sfogliatelle, the amazing pastry that I crave for every day. In Napoli, you can find chaos and order all at once. You must just visit it to see it and see it to believe it. And very close to Naples, we've visited also excavations of Pompeii town that was covered in ashes and lava many years ago. It's an UNESCO heritage site, which was very interesting to see, but also quite heartbreaking. And of course, we had to hike up to the cone of Vesuvio, the majestic volcano, energy of which you can sense everywhere you go in the cities around, even if you sleep at Napoli. It was a very calm and lovely walk, but at the same time I was terrified to see how many people live nearby. Even if there's no risk for eruption at the moment, there's a risk for earthquake, for example. So wow, really brave people live in this area of Italy. And it's not the first volcano that I visit in Italy. I've also been to Etna, but it's certainly the first volcano I was flying above. And there in the sky, I was thinking about all the beautiful places I've seen so far, and I was feeling so glad and grateful. And I'm also very happy to have shared it with you today. So thanks a lot for watching, and also welcome to watch my other videos. Bye for now.